Hi everyone, welcome back to Massive Crochet. For this project, I used a 4.5mm crochet hook. We'll start by making a slip knot. And then we'll make a foundation chain in multiples of 3, plus 1 extra chain. I'm chaining 12, which is a multiple of 3. Then I'll add 1 more chain for a total of 13 chains. We'll skip the first chain, then work 1 single crochet into the second chain from the hook. And then continue with 1 single crochet in each chain across. This first row is very simple and will create a nice edge. For row 2, we'll chain 1 and turn our work. We'll make 1 single crochet into the first stitch. And in the next stitch, we'll work a front loop single crochet. So instead of inserting our hook through both loops of the stitch, we'll insert it only through the front loop and complete our single crochet as usual. Then we'll work 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So we'll insert our hook through both loops of each stitch. And we'll continue repeating. 1 front loop single crochet, 2 single crochets. At the end of the row, we'll have 2 stitches left. We'll work a front loop single crochet in the first one, then a single crochet in the last stitch. For row 3, we'll chain 1 and turn our work. And we'll start with 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Next, we'll make the little square. We'll insert our hook underneath the horizontal bar of the stitch from row 1, going from bottom to top, just like this. Yarn over, insert your hook underneath the horizontal bar, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, keeping 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook underneath the horizontal bar, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the remaining 3 loops. And then we'll repeat 2 single crochets, and another little square underneath the horizontal bar, with a double crochet 2 together. So, 2 single crochets in a little square. We'll finish the row with 1 single crochet in the last stitch. For row 4, we'll chain 1 and turn our work. We'll work 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Chain 1 and turn. Now we'll repeat the pattern starting again from row 1. So we'll work 1 row of single crochet. Chain 1 and repeat row 2. Single crochet in the first stitch. And we'll repeat 1 front loop single crochet, 2 single crochets. Front loop single crochet, single crochet, chain 1, turn, and we'll work the same as row 3. Single crochet in the first stitch, a little square, then 2 single crochets. You can see that the little squares are lining up one above the other. Single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1, turn, and work 1 row of single crochet just like row 4. I really love how this pattern turned out. I think it would be perfect for a baby blanket because it has this sweet, simple texture and a beautiful repeating design. But you can definitely use it for many other projects where you want a soft and cozy look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future content. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.